When I set off for work this morning, my car broke down, so I ended up taking the bus. As soon as I got off, I bumped into an old schoolmate, David. While we were talking, he brought up something I had already found out from some mutual friends. That he had come into some money and had set up his own business. He told me that there was a lot to sort out and offered to take me on, but I turned him down straight away. When I clocked in, my boss had a go at me, telling me off in front of everyone. When I got over the initial shock, I told him I'd make up for being late, but it turned out that he had blown up over a deal that had fallen through after a client of mine had pulled out of a contract. He told me that I wouldn't get away with it, that I'd let everybody down, and just went on and on. Eventually, I ran out of patience and answered back. I said I was not going to put up with it anymore, and if he wanted to lay me off, he should go ahead. Anyway, to cut a long story short, I stormed out, phoned David's secretary, who put me through to him. I told David I'd like to take him up on his offer. So, in the end, everything has worked out perfectly. When I set off for work this morning.
Set off. The children set off for school.
My car broke down.
Break down. The telephone system has broken down.
So I ended up taking the bus.
End up. I ended up spending the night in the airport.
As soon as I got off.
Get off. I want to get off at the next station.
I bumped into an old schoolmate, David.
Bump into. I bumped into Messi in a shop.
While we were talking, he brought up something I had already found out from some mutual friends.
Bring up. She's always bringing up her health problems.
While we were talking, he brought up something I had already found out from some mutual friends.
Find out. I just found out that he was cheating on the test.
That he had come into some money.
Come into. I came into a little money and bought a house.
And had set up his own business.
Set up. She plans to set up her own business.
He told me that there was a lot to sort out.
Sort out. Her financial records are a mess, but we'll sort them out.
And offered to take me on.
Take on. She was taken on as a laboratory assistant.
But I turned him down straight away.
Turn down. He turned down the job because it involved too much traveling.
When I clocked in.
Clock in. What time did you clock in this morning?
My boss had a go at me.
Have a go at. My mom's always having a go at me about getting a proper job.
Telling me off in front of everyone.
Tell off. Rob told off his boss, then quit.
When I got over the initial shock.
Get over. You will get over the illness more quickly if you relax.
I told him I'd make up for being late.
Make up for. I worked extra hours to make up for the time I had missed.
But it turned out.
Turn out. It turns out that she had known him when they were children.
That he had blown up over a deal.
Blow up. He may blow up when he finds out how much I spent.
That had fallen through.
Fall through. Our plans to visit fell through at the last minute.
After a client of mine had pulled out of a contract.
Pull out. He pulled out of the deal at the last moment.
He told me that I wouldn't get away with it.
Get away with. If I thought I could get away with it, I wouldn't pay my taxes at all.
That I'd let everybody down.
I was a bit late, but I couldn't let them down completely.
And just went on and on.
Go on. The meeting was going on in the room next door.
Eventually, I ran out of patience.
Run out of. I've run out of patience.
And answered back.
Answer back. Don't answer back. It's not polite.
I said I was not going to put up with it anymore.
Put up with. She put up with his violent temper.
And if he wanted to lay me off,
Lay off. I wish he'd lay off me.
he should go ahead.
Go ahead. You go ahead and tell him that I'm coming.
Anyway, to cut a long story short, I stormed out.
Storm out. He angrily storms out of the meeting.
Phoned David's secretary, who put me through to him.
Put through. Your call has been put through.
I told David I'd like to take him up on his offer.
Take up. I'm happy to take him up on his challenge.
So, in the end, everything has worked out perfectly.
Work out. My first job didn't work out. Speak English like a native speaker. Welcome to English Free Channel, www.4uenglishfree.com.